What is this? Why does it happen? What's the science behind it? To find out, we must first know what's going on in the first place. Now, when speakers make sounds, they make them in hertz. The amount of hertz in a sound is equal to the amount of times a speaker resonates per second. So for every hertz that the speaker was making, the speaker was moving up and down in a shape that, when put in a position time graph, makes a sine wave. Because the hose was outputting water, it would also output the water in the shape of the sine function. Now we move on to the camera. When recording video, cameras do not actually just continually take in the light from in front of them. They actually just take a series of pictures per second, and the number of pictures per second that it takes is equal to frames per second. When the frames per second and the hertz match up, we get something weird that happens. That's like saying if you had your hand out like this and it was doing this 30 times a second, and you took a picture 30 times a second, and you only took the pictures when it was at the bottom and when it was at the top. Well then, if we were to take a video compiled of all those pictures put together, all we would see is when the hand is at the top and when it's at the bottom. So all we would see is this instead of a smooth. So what about when the water is moving up or down the stream? Either the hertz or the frames per second is higher than the other, and the times at which the
Great Gatsby has been canceled, and the field trip with Mr. Demont for tomorrow has been canceled. Thank you.
You're going to be upset. How should I know? Maybe he didn't get permission from the administrators.
No, there's only like 10 people.
Oh man, that's so cool.
So you think you got enough video?
Yeah.
No, I don't. I'm sorry. Hold on. The interesting thing is I can make it go up and I can make it go down, but I don't think the camera will see that.
It does.
It does?
Yeah.
Okay, well then fine. No big deal. That's weird.
Whoa.
Why don't you walk around the other side and start over and do another